Unlocking secrets of Instagram Blue Tick. Instagram Blue Tick verification badge isn't just a symbol of prestige and credibility, it also helps you crowd out on Instagram and grab the attention of millions of potential fans or customers. Instagram extends far beyond a mere photo sharing platform. With a staggering 1 billion monthly active users, this social site holds significant potential as a formidable tool to expand and enhance your personal profile or your business, depending on your goals. If you've ever wondered how to obtain that sought-after Instagram Blue Tick, we've got you covered. Here's everything you need to know about the Instagram verification process and the requirements you must meet to secure that elusive badge. Methods to obtain Instagram Blue Tick. Number 1. Subscribe to Meta Verified. Number 2. Apply directly for the verified badge on Instagram, especially if you're a public figure, celebrity, or brand, and meet the necessary account and eligibility requirements. Number 3. For those who haven't subscribed to Meta Verified, Instagram carefully evaluates several factors when evaluating accounts for verification. Aside from complying with Instagram's terms of use and community guidelines, your account must also meet the following criteria. Number 1. Authenticity. Your account must represent a real person, registered business, or entity. It shouldn't impersonate or deceive others. Number 2. Uniqueness. Your account should embody the unique presence of the person or business it represents. Instagram only verifies one account per person or business, with exceptions made for language-specific accounts. General interest accounts, such as @puppy memes, are not eligible for verification. Number 3. Completeness. Your account must be public and have a bio, profile photo, and regular activity at the time of application. Incomplete or inactive accounts are unlikely to receive verification. Number 4. Notability. Your account should represent a well-known, exceedingly searched for person, brand, or entity. Instagram reviews accounts that have been featured in multiple news sources. Paid or sponsored media content isn't considered when evaluating eligibility. So if your account meets all these requirements, you can proceed to apply for the verified badge by following the instructions provided. It's important to note that once verified, you will not be able to change your account's username.